In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Venmo to your Shopify payment gateway. Adding Venmo gives customers another flexible payment option and can help improve the checkout experience for your store. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This will open your store settings where you can manage payments, billing, and checkout options. Next, click on Payments. Inside the Payments section, you'll see all the payment providers currently connected to your Shopify store. Now locate the PayPal section and click on it. Venmo payments on Shopify are typically processed through PayPal, so you'll need to complete your PayPal business account setup first. Next, click Complete Setup and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your PayPal account with Shopify. During the setup process, enter your PayPal business account credentials and authorize the connection. Once your PayPal integration is active, return to the Payments page in Shopify. Now click Add Payment Method. If Venmo does not appear immediately, use the search bar and type Venmo. Once Venmo appears in the results, select it to continue. Shopify may now display additional setup options or payment settings related to Venmo transactions. Review the settings carefully and confirm the integration. After saving the changes, Venmo will become available as a payment option during checkout for eligible customers. Keep in mind that Venmo availability may depend on your country, PayPal setup, and customer device compatibility. Offering Venmo can help provide a faster and more convenient checkout experience, especially for mobile shoppers. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add Venmo to Shopify as a payment gateway. Thanks for watching and goodbye.